Welcome to AI Rasoi by Sam. Crispy, juicy jalebi with chilled, creamy rabdi. This is the ultimate Indian dessert. Start with 1 liter of full-fat milk, bring it to a boil, then cook on low heat, stirring occasionally and scraping the cream from the sides back into the milk. Keep reducing until the milk becomes thick and creamy. Add sugar, cardamom, saffron, almonds and pistachios. Mix well, turn. For the syrup, combine sugar, water, cardamom and saffron. Boil until you reach a sticky one-string consistency. Now combine 1 cup maida, 2 tablespoons besan, curd and baking powder. Add water little by little and make a smooth, thick pouring batter. Cover and let it ferment for several hours or overnight for the best traditional texture. Transfer the batter into a piping bottle, heat oil or ghee on medium heat, pipe tight, even spirals and fry until beautifully golden and crisp on both sides. Now comes the best part. Serve those hot, crispy jalebis with chilled, creamy rabdi. Crispy, juicy, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. Save this recipe and try it at home.